Buenos dias, chingonas. Welcome back to my channel, Life with a Chingona, aka me, aka JoJo. If you're new, subscribe. If you're old, like, comment, share. Show your girl some love. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a nice little pedicure right here in your casitas. You don't have to step out or none of that. You don't have to spend money, none of that. You just gotta be in your home, you know what I'm saying, set up a nice little vibe and pamper yourself, okay? All of the materials will be listed down below in the description for you guys, so you guys can thank me later. Let's get started. This is what the setup is looking like. We are in the guest bathroom. That's where we will be giving ourselves a nice little pedicure. And I have my bubbler here. And this is to get rid of all the nasty stuff in the back of your feet. And this is my exfoliator that will be going in here. It's shaped like a bath bomb, so I love it. And over here we just have a nice candle for the vibes, and over here, guys, we have the rest. I have some toe separator, a little brush to scrub off just the bad things, and we have a file here once we start our pedicure. I have some cuticle softener to clean our toes, some antiseptic to clean before we even get started, some cuticle oils once we're done, some acetone in case we mess up, and then I have my little tools here. You'll be needing some clippers, but I usually just use my file to shape my toes anyway, and I chose black for our toe color for today. And then I have my Valentino top coat, base coat, as well as my phone, dirty ass phone, and just again the vibes. So this is what our setup is looking like. You'll also need one of these, and this I got it on Amazon. I will also leave the link below in the description for you guys. Super affordable, and literally you can get pedicures for a lifetime. Definitely a great investment. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to make sure that you don't have any nail polish. As you can see, I don't have any. I took it off before recording, so all of my nails are clean of polish. Go ahead and just grab some acetone if you do, and after you're done taking off your polish, go ahead and fill this baby up with warm water, as warm as you are comfortable, boo, because I like my shit really hot. After that, I'm going to dump this baby in and let our feet soak. Okay, ladies? I've let my feet soak in there for 15 minutes. As you can see, it is definitely very bubbly and I love it. So now we are going to remove one feet and get started with our nice little pedicure. Here, as you guys can see, I just like to clean it in the towel that's placed underneath the bubbler. Now that I'm done cleaning up my cuticles, I'm going to go ahead and put both of my feet back in there, turn it on again, and this time I'm going to let them soak for 5 minutes. Since it's bubbly again, I'm going to go ahead and turn the bubbler off. Dry up my feet. And put some lotion. And get to scrubbing, really. The secret here is to not do it too hard. I am not just like pressing it so hard against my skin. I'm just gently filing, making sure that all of the dry stuff is removed from there, and I'm not worried because all of the dirt will just fall to the towel, so no problem there. Turn this on for one last time. I'm going to leave them there for 5 more minutes, and after that I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. This is our last time using this. You can use a toe clipper to cut them. I usually just use a nail buffer, and I just go ahead and go like this. Sometimes when you are shaping your nails, you'll start to notice that you just have to go back and clean up some more, so don't be afraid to. As you can see, I do have some dead skin right here, so I'm going to use my tool to go ahead and just remove the dead skin here. Now that my feet are all nice and clean and shaped and looking mighty fine, I'm going to go ahead and place my toe separator, and we're going to go ahead and get to the fun part. I also forgot to mention, but you want to make sure that your toes are looking a little on the raspy side. You don't want any shine because you want your base coat to stick. Make sure that you clean your toes with some, you can use some rubbing alcohol or your acetone, but make sure you clean the dust off because you don't want your base coat to go ahead and dry off with just powder and dirt, and just, you don't want that. So make sure that your toes are clean. Moving right along with the fun part, guys, I have my Valentino base coat, and I also have my LED lamp. I'm going to do my best to do this with one hand, since, you know, I'm trying to show you guys. Normally start off from the cuticle and work my way up. Now that I have applied my base coat, I'm going to go ahead and move on with my color. I am using the Midnight by iGel Beauty. I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 layers of my color. Never done it with one hand, but ain't nothing a chingona can't do, right? So let's go. I also have my acetone here and my brush in case I do mess up. I can go ahead and just clean it. I like to go for my cuticle and work myself up. I'm using very thin layers. Now I'm going to apply the second layer. After both feet are done, I'm going to go in with my Valentino top coat. Now that our toes are done and they are looking lovely and sexy and ready for your man to suck on your toes, if you're into it, I'm going to go ahead and just shave off the hair. I tend to grow hair around here and in my toe, big toe. So we're just going to go ahead and remove that. And after we're done, I'm going to go ahead and just remove my toe separator. And my last step, I'll go ahead and put on some lotion and some cuticle oil. And baby, our toes are just gonna be SS, succulent and as you guys can see, our feet are looking real healthy, real clean, real sexy, real cute. I have my Forever 21 slippers in neon green with this nice, cute little ankle bracelet. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Mwah.